In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up SMS marketing on Klaviyo. This quick and efficient process will help you connect with your audience through personalized text messages, significantly enhancing your marketing strategy. Starting off, you'll want to be logged into your Klaviyo account. This is the base for all the exciting steps to come, ensuring everything is synced up perfectly. Once you're logged in, head over to the lower left-hand corner of your screen. There, you'll find the name of your account displayed, and clicking on it will reveal a menu. This menu is crucial as it acts as your gateway to different settings options within Klaviyo. Now it's time to navigate to the SMS settings. You'll do this by going into the settings section and then selecting SMS. This portion of the setup process is where you'll begin to pave the roadmap for your SMS marketing campaign. You'll next see the Setup SMS for Free button. Clicking on this initiates the process to activate SMS capabilities in your Klaviyo account. It's a straightforward click, but a significant step towards engaging your audience in new and effective ways. A modal will appear, and here you'll need to decide which countries you wish to send SMS messages to. It's important to check all the countries that apply to your target market. This feature of Klaviyo allows you to customize and expand your audience reach effortlessly. After selecting the countries, you'll want to click Next. This simple step moves you forward in the setup process, inching you closer to a functional SMS marketing system. Now it's time to fill out your company information. This includes all the required details that Klaviyo utilizes to ensure compliance and proper functioning of your SMS campaigns. Taking a moment to accurately fill this out is crucial for a seamless operation moving forward. Once you've completed entering your company information, click Next again. With this, you're on the brink of launching your SMS marketing initiatives. Finally, you're all set to start collecting SMS subscribers. Klaviyo provides you the tools to effortlessly grow your subscriber list, allowing you to send dynamic, personalized text messages directly to their mobile phones. This conclusion to setting up SMS in Klaviyo marks the beginning of a powerful communication channel with your audience. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've set up SMS marketing on Klaviyo. This tool will undoubtedly enhance your marketing campaigns by offering direct and personalized communication. Now you're ready to engage your customers like never before, making every message count and driving incredible results for your business.